What's up guys? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 19. I'm so excited to be vlogging again today. I took a few days off because of just the bad news that I got the other day, which isn't detrimental to my baby or my life, which is good, but it's just not great. I took a few days off kind of like just thinking about the whole thing. I'm feeling much better today. I was not well at all yesterday. I was quite sick actually, and I was just glad to have like a few days off just to spend with Paddy and family and stuff like that. So today I am making the brave decision to go to Blanche. I don't know if that's brave or stupid. I will not be spending too long in there because I can't be walking around and doing shopping and stuff. The last thing I want to do is land into hospital over Christmas, so I'm going to try and avoid spending too long in there. And I've just heard on the news that our country is going into lockdown again on the 30th of December, which kind of sucks, but look, it is what it is. The cases are way too high. The only unfortunate thing about that is I was due to get my hair done on the 30th in Platinum and Delir Street, and sure, if we're going into lockdown on the 30th, it's going to be closed down, which sucks, so I won't be able to get my hair done. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take all my extensions out myself like I did in the summer and just wait for Platinum to open up again, which is just, I don't know when that will even happen. I don't know how businesses are staying afloat. I actually really feel very sorry for them. I know like people are dying and people are sick and stuff, and I get all of that, and I understand how the virus is just affecting people but who have passed away and are sick, but it's also affecting people who are healthy and alive and their businesses and stuff. And I actually just feel so sorry for people who are trying to run businesses and small businesses at that, and they just continuously have to keep closing down. It's really, really, really sad. It's just not, you know, it's obviously not an ideal situation. This virus has just caused so many problems to us over the last nearly 12 months now at this stage, and it's just never ending. But look, there will be light at the end of the tunnel one day. I just hope that any business that has been affected by this doesn't struggle so much that they end up having to close, because I just, you know, like, that's not really a nice thing to obviously have to close down your business. And so many businesses have gone out of business and have like gone into liquidation and stuff. Like, look at Debenhams, Inglot Ireland, they only work online. I don't even know if it's associated with Ireland anymore, if it's just Inglot that's been shipped from like Europe or whatever. I'm not even sure what the story is with that. Oasis, Topshop's on the way out, Miss Selfridge is gone, Dorothy Perkins, Burton, like you name it. Like, those shops have just kind of disappeared and are disappearing and have lost so much business as they're closing. Like, it's really sad, really, really sad. Like, who knows what the hell's gonna happen soon. But anyway, let's kind of lift that up a little bit. Like, we're on a bit of a downer. Amy called over to me yesterday morning, which was so lovely to see her. So she was over with me for like a couple of hours, brought over baby girls and bought me jammies and socks and baby's vests and a blankie for the baby, and I'm just so excited about all the little bits, and she's just so good, like so thoughtful. And I'm just getting kind of, it's getting all real now, thinking about like all the stuff we have. I've already mentioned that, like, gotten our buggy, and we have our car seat and everything. We've done all that, way ahead with things that you need for the baby. But it's just lovely, like, to have the little clothes and stuff. So I think I'm pretty much sorted for newborn clothes. So I think I'm pretty sorted for when the baby arrives with newborns and 0 to 3 months. I think I pretty much have everything. I just need to get a chest of drawers to put everything into, and then what else am I doing? There's something else I needed to get. I think that's pretty much it. Like, I don't know if I'm going to get like a changing mat or anything like that. I think I can pretty much change the baby, or not a changing mat, like a, you know, a changing station or like a diaper station. I think I can do that like anywhere. I'm just gonna get like one of those little caddies that you bring around the house, like with all your like diapers, supplies and stuff like that. I'm going over to Paddy's house first before we go to Blanche, because obviously we're going together. And yeah, I watched The Hateful Eight last night because I had seen on Pink Sparkles, I watch her YouTube videos. I only started watching her again for Vlogmas. I haven't watched her in years, but she was watching it and said that it was a really good movie, so I decided I'd watch it last night because we were like stuck for a movie, and I remember that she mentioned it, and I was not into that movie at all. I'm not really a big Tarantino fan anyway. The only Tarantino movie I can really think off the top of my head that I really, really like, the only two, Pulp Fiction and Reservoir Dogs, and I'm not really mad into his other kind of new movies, so I wasn't really that into The Hateful Eight. I did think the storyline was great, the gore was brilliant, I love a bit of gore, but I don't know, it was too long for me. I had just like definitely tuned out halfway through. Anyway guys, my camera's flashing at me, so I'll try and vlog a little bit when I get out shopping, show you a little bit around shops hopefully, and I will talk to you then. Hi guys, I'm sorry I haven't really been vlogging much. This vlog is going to be probably really short. We are going to the drive-in movies tonight. I think we're going to Leopardstown or RDS, one or the other, but we're going to go see Home Alone 2. I'm so excited for the drive-in. So first off, we're going to go and pick up some treats. I think we're going to Tesco's, just get a couple of treats. So excited for a drive-in movie. This is the first thing I've done all Christmas season, like just Christmassy, because obviously I've been in hospital and been pregnant. I can't do anything and go out, and so anyway, I'm very excited for this, and we're going with 2 of our friends as well, so we're just super excited. Minstrels or Maltesers? These are the questions I need to ask myself. Ooh, look at I just seen. I can do a little bit here. So, where are these fizzy sweets? Oh, here. Another fizzy randoms. Thank you. Where are the randoms? No, I don't want them. What are they? Squish'ems. They're not the juicers. Those aren't the plain ones, the green ones. They don't have any.
Oh, you never wonder. Yeah, true.
I hope there's hot chocolate.
No, you can't do that.
No hot chocolate. Yay, we're right in front of the screen. Woohoo!
Putting you behind the
I don't know what this person's doing.
Whenever this goes finished.
Oh, they're probably leaving a row in the middle where people walk up and down.
It's probably going to be impossible for you to see, but I got nachos with cheese and jalapenos, and I'm so excited. I haven't had these since March. Whilst we're sitting here at the drive-in waiting for it to start. Can't wait for these. Sorry, your car's going to stink.
Oh, I just spilled my tea again.
Did you spill it again? It's gone so dark, but we're going to watch the movie now, and I will talk to you when we are home. So guys, we're home after the movie, and it was so good, and I got nachos, and that's all I cared about. It's really nice to go to a drive-in, really nice to do anything for Christmas because I've done nothing. And you're going out for what? Drinks tomorrow night, drinks on Thursday night, and I don't get to do anything fun.
You're not fun, I told you this.
I am fun. Look what he's doing. He's putting all the sweets into a jar that we didn't eat. They're really packed. Oh my god. I didn't eat half of the sweets. I don't think I ate any sweets.
There you go.
I ate like 2 little bits of chocolate and a couple of randoms, and that was it. And then the nachos were the best thing. I was so full after dinner. I just was not interested in eating anything. Anyway guys, I'm gonna love yous and leave yous, and I will talk to you all in my next vlog. Mwah. Bye guys. Oh, there's more sweets.